2016 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, compass, trip computer, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, equalizer, premium cloth low back bucket seats, body color door handles. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.